Now answer this question. Sorry, guys. I would be taking your two to 3 minutes more.
No problem.
So ASUS Corporation wants to use an option to hedge 12.5 million in receivables from New Zealand firms. Receivables. So you are receiving 12.5 million New Zealand dollars. The premium is 0.03. The exercise price is 0.55. If the option is exercised, like you want to obligate the seller that I want to buy from you, what is the total amount of dollar you will receive? Tell me. So
There is one thing I don't understand. Why you give me the 55 Donny, this data? I don't need it, right? I don't need it.
You need it because this is the contract price, exercise price. So if you don't understand this kind of stuff, always draw the timeline here. So this is the contract. The time period is not given, so just write down T here. Exercise price 0.55. Reference point is 12.5 million New Zealand dollar. And premium is
you say New Zealand dollar, so you have to convert, right, in dollar, right?
so you have premium $0.03. So at the end of the time period, if you want to exercise, how much dollar you receive? The question is, you want to hedge your receivable. You are receiving 12.5 million NZ, and you enter into option contract that for every 1 New Zealand dollar, you would give me $0.55. And you enter into a call option by paying $0.03 per New Zealand dollar as a premium. So how much you receive?
None of the above.
Oh, I think I mentioned, sorry, simple. So what is your cost? Your cost is 0.55 strike price plus the premium you will pay 0.03. So your total cost would be 0.58. 0.58 multiplied by 12 point, sorry, not multiply. Yeah, multiply by 12.5. So what is the answer here? 12.5. 12.5 multiplied by 0.58. Answer would be here. My answer is a little bit different than
Me as well. I think it's none of the above.
not,
First of all,
none of the above. It should be
because
sorry. It should be minus because you, let me erase it. So you are receiving, sorry, my point, you are receiving the 12.5 million, you will be selling at 0.55 and you would be paying the premium. Premium is your cost. So 0.55 minus 0.03. Answer would be 0.52, right? Because you also pay the premium. So how much you receive? Simple. 0.52 multiplied by Tell.
I get 50. So it's like $55 minus 0.02.
0.02, not
0.03.
3.
Yeah.
Yes. So answer would be 0.52.
Now I multiply.
0.55 minus 0.03, answer would be 0.52. When you multiply 0.52 with 12.5 million, answer would be 650,000.
Okay.
Because there is a cost to enter into a call option, which is premium, and premium would be less, right? So it should be less. I mistakenly added it. Sorry.
No
Right,
problem.
guys? Everybody understand that? Fabian, Lota, Kathleen, Crystal, Ping, Marilyn, Janlep, not?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Now answer this. You purchase a call option on pound for a premium of 0.03. So it means you pay the premium 0.03. With an exercise price 1.65. 1.64, sorry. So let me just, so exercise price 1.64, you pay premium 0.03. The option will not exercise until the expiration date. This is a European style, don't worry about that. If the spot rate on the expiration is 1.65, so what is your net profit? So this is your exercise price. You will buy from the seller at 1.64, and in the spot market the price is 1.65. So you will buy, this is your cost 1.64, and you will also pay the premium 0.03. In the market the price is, spot price is 1.65. So what is your loss? What is your loss? 0.02. Simple. Understand? Simple. Sale minus cost is your profit. So you enter into a call option. What is the call option? Right to buy, right? And when you enter into a call option, when you expect that in future price will be higher, I buy from you at lower price and sell in the market at higher price. So sale price is 1.65. I buy from you at 1.64, but I also pay you a premium. So that would be my loss. If the price is 1.68, then I would be getting some profit. If the price is 1.70, then I would be having some profit. But due to this deep in the money or in the money call option, I would be having loss, right? So even though the spot price is higher than the strike price, but due to this premium that I have paid, I still cannot recover my loss. So I would let this option expire, right? Because my loss is minus 0.02. Simple. Right, everyone? Okay, the summary is, you just pause the video, read the summary. We already talked extensively on future forward and currency options. So just pause the video and read it here. Here we go. So I would be uploading assignment 4, and it would be due at the start of our next lecture. I would be uploading it on the group and also Blackboard. So any question up till now? So we have covered all the currency derivatives: forward, future, options, in options, call option, and put options. Any question, Florian? Okay, Kathleen.
Can we back to the question that the one with Can we back to the practice question? Last one, another one.
This
This one
one?
before this one, before this one,
This
before
one?
this one. Yes, this one. I still don't know how to get D. I get B and C, but not D.
Okay, let's do that. Now, read slowly. ASUS Corporation wants to use an option to hedge 12.5 million in receivable, right? Fabian, they are receiving 12.5 million New Zealand dollars, right? And they enter into the option contract, right? They say that we are going to sell our NZs at 0.55, right? So at the expiration, how much they receive? 12.5. So 12.5 multiplied by 0.55. Answer would be
12.5 multiplied by
0.55. 6, 8, 7, or 6.875 million, right? But they pay a premium as well, right? So they entered into an option contract that they will be selling their NZ. One NZ is equal to $0.55, but they have to pay $0.03 as premium. So less premium. Premium is 0.03. So 0.03 multiplied by 12.5, which is 0.03 multiplied by 12.5. Answer would be 0.375 million. So what is the answer? 6.875.
okay.
It is
Understood.
6.5 million. Right? Answer is D. Or
Okay, thank you.
you can say that, or you can also make a shortcut. You say that, okay, I would be selling my NZ at 0.55 and I would be paying premium minus 0.03. So net amount I would be getting at 0.52. So 0.52 multiplied by 12.5, answer would be 6.5. Right?
Yeah, I understand. I found out what my problem. I didn't use the 0.03.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the biggest, challenge in options. In options are not cheap. Options are costly. In future and forward, we don't have the premium, but in option contract, we do have premium. So we should allocate, right? If you are a seller, premium would be your income. If you are a buyer, premium would be your cost, right? Remember that one. Okay. Any other question? Marilyn? Kathleen?
No question, sir.
Okay, if no question, then remember that you need to submit your assignment 4, and I will be uploading all these lectures, PPTs, and the book chapters on WeChat group and also on Blackboard. So until then, until next week, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye.